Video we are going to go through the around the world ladies arm styling. So I will show you guys how this one looks. We have two variations that we are going to look at. I'll give you guys some techniques and then we're going to practice it together. So let's get started. The first one, we are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the next variation we're going to look at goes like this with our arms straight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So in this movement, again, any movement where our hands or our arms are above our shoulders, we really need to make sure that we are engaging those shoulders down so we can have a long neck, more space between our shoulders and our ears. Otherwise, it's going to look very uncomfortable and very awkward. How you join your hands, it's really personal preference. I personally link with one hand rather than grabbing on. So you can either grab on at the wrist when we are doing our straight arms, or you can just grab on with your fingertips to your other fingertips, depending what is more comfortable for you and depending on how long your arms are. I know that some people with shorter arms prefer one than the other. So really whatever is comfortable for you, there is no wrong or right technique in regards to this. So again, we want to make sure with this movement that we are doing the movement with the steps. So I'm keeping it step by step and making sure the movement is circular. So I am going around my head. Think of like you're having a ball and you want it to go really in a circle around your head. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then straight arms again by the wrist or holding onto the fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you'll notice with the straight arms, I am ending up on each side on the 4 and the 8. So I will do it with my back to you guys so you guys can follow along. So first I will go through with the straight arms, and for me, I'm going to hold on to my wrist, but like I said, whichever you prefer. 5, 6, shoulders engaged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you guys will see on my 4 and my 8, I am giving a slight bend on my side rib here to create a bigger movement, a more dramatic movement. So let's do that a few times together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Awesome. So I'm just going to note as well, when I am doing this movement, I am slightly engaging my chest with it to create more of a circle effect. And it allows me to create a bigger movement. So focus on that as well. I will show you guys with the bent arms. We'll do it a few times together. So with the bent arms, I am intertwining my fingers like this. For me, that is the most comfortable. You can also do it like this or like this, whatever is the most comfortable for you. So starting with my hands in the front, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Again, I am incorporating my chest with it to create a bigger circle movement. With the variation with my arms bent, I am also going around 1, 2, and then on the 3, bringing it to the front, and on the 4, bringing it back. For me, this is like a personal styling choice. You don't have to do that. You could just go all the way around and all the way around, whatever you prefer. But for me, that is my own flair that I'm adding onto it. So with both of these variations of around the world, we mostly use them when we are doing turns in our partner dancing. So I will bring Tam on to show you guys how we can use this in our turns. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll show you guys the other variation as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So we'll do one more angle just so you guys can see from a different perspective. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So any turns where we have free arms can be like we just showed you guys, or from the waist, doing a turn from here. Anytime when we have both hands free, this is a great opportunity for us to try this around the world styling technique. For me, I think it looks really effective and really dynamic in your dancing. Like with our arms up, it's adding, for me, more height. Pick the ones that you like and add it to your social dancing, and I can guarantee that your dancing will look a lot more smooth. And let us know how you go. So thank you guys for watching.